Today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Gorgias and Fera on your Shopify store. First, you're going to go to the Shopify App Store and type in Gorgias and add the app. Once you've added the app and created an account, you're going to log into your Gorgias help desk. Once you have added Gorgias to your Shopify store and created an account, you are going to go to your Fera dashboard. Once there, you're going to click on Configuration in the bottom left-hand corner, and then click on Setup and Integrations. Once in Integrations, you're going to look for the Gorgias integration and click the green Connect button. And here you're going to type in the name of your help desk and click the green Connect button. Then you're going to click Authorize App. And now Gorgias is integrated with your Fera app. Now that you have integrated Fera and Gorgias, you need to configure the Gorgias settings. Under Integrations, look for your Gorgias app. Then you're going to click these three black buttons and click the Configure button. Now you can configure how Gorgias tickets are created. Ensure that your Gorgias account and support email are correct. Then make sure that the Create Review Ticket toggle is on Yes. And then you can choose your rating threshold. So you can choose from 1 to 4. This rating threshold will create tickets for ratings that are equal to or below this rating. So if you choose 2, then it will create ticket reviews that are 2 stars or below. Once you ensure that all of your settings are correct and to your liking, you are going to click the blue Save button. And there you go. Now your configuration and integrations have been set up. If you have any more questions or are in need of further help, please reach out to our team and we'll be happy to assist you.